Hey everyone, welcome to my channel Electric, your go-to place for all things electrical broken down into bite-sized pieces. Today we are diving into three key players in the electrical world: conductors, insulators, and semiconductors. Whether you are new to electrical engineering or just curious about how electricity flows, this one's for you. Alright, let's start with the MVPs of electricity: conductors. These are materials that let electricity flow freely. Think of them as the highways for electrons. Why are conductors so good at this? It's all about their atomic structure. Conductors like copper, aluminium, and gold have loosely bound electrons in their outermost shell. These free electrons can move easily, making it a breeze for electricity to travel. Did you know copper is so good at conducting that most electrical wires use it? It's efficient and cost effective. Next up, insulators. These are the materials that say nope, no electricity here. Unlike conductors, insulators like rubber, glass, and plastic have tightly bound electrons. There's no easy path for electricity to flow. That's why your phone charger is covered in plastic so you don't get zapped. Fun example: think of an insulator as a security guard for electricity, making sure it stays on the right path. Now, here's where it gets interesting: semiconductors. These materials are like the middle ground between conductors and insulators. They can conduct electricity, but only under certain conditions. Take silicon, for example. At room temperature, it doesn't conduct much electricity. But when you add a little energy like heat or light, it comes alive. This unique property makes semiconductors perfect for building things like transistors and microchips. Without semiconductors, your smartphones, laptops, and even this video wouldn't exist. Mind blowing, right? So here's the quick recap. Conductors are the highways for electricity, great for carrying currents. Insulators block electricity, perfect for safety and protection. Semiconductors are the all stars of modern tech, balancing both worlds to create magic in electronics. That's it for today's crash course. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and share with your fellow engineers in the making. And remember, electricity is all around us, but understanding it starts with the basics. See you next time on Electric.